question is, Antwerp is 78 kilometers due south of Rotterdam and 83 kilometers due east of Bruges, as shown in the diagram. We need to calculate the distance between the Bruges and the Rotterdam. Let us take the Bruges to be the point A, Rotterdam to be the point B, Antwerp to be the point C. As per the information given in the question, we have the length of BC equal to 78 kilometers and AC is equal to 83 kilometers. It is well observed that here ABC form a right-angled triangle, right-angled at the point C. Therefore, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between AB. Yes, so the Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of the triangle. That is, we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is, AB square is equal to 83 square plus 78 square. From here, we get the value of AB equal to the positive root of 83 square plus 78 square. With the help of the calculator, we find out the value of root 83 square plus 78 square. We get it to be root 12973. The value of root 12973 is 113.89, which can be rounded off to the nearest number, that is 114. Therefore, the distance between AB, that is the distance between Bruges and Rotterdam, is 114 kilometers. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.